Okay. First question is for $500 points. Jammu is the winter capital of which UT? Options are A. Jammu, Jammu and Kashmir, B. Kashmir, D. none. Am I audible?
Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir.
Arab B, Shaurya B, Lupita B, Joshna C, Arush C. Are you sure with your answer?
I am Shabila and I'm thinking of B. Jammu and Kashmir.
Joshna B, Arush B. Type your answer. Okay? In chat box. Option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer. Second question is for $1,000 points. Kargil is the winter capital of which UT? Options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. AMC, C. Ladakh, D. none. Arab C, Shamila C, Sita C. Arush C, Krishna C. Okay, so lock option C, Ladakh. Third question is for $2,000 points. Chhattisgarh is the part of which undivided state? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. none. RF A. Krishna. What is this? Write the options A, B, and C, D. Arush A. Shaurya Q. Arush A, Shaurya E, Arush E, Shaurya A, Chitra A. Okay, lock option A, Madhya Pradesh. Fourth question is for $3,000 points. Srinagar is the summer capital of which options are A. Jammu, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Kashmir, none. Arush B, Shamila B, Sita B, Arab B, Joshna B. Lock option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Answer. This question is for $5,000 points. Leh is the summer capital of which UT? Options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. A and D, C. none, D. Ladakh. Shamila D, Shaurya B, again, then right. Arush C. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Log the correct answer. Next question is for $7,000 points. Telangana, part of which undivided state? Options are A, AP, B, MP, C, UP, D, HP. Arush A, Shaurya A, Arav A, Upita A, Amila A, option A, AP, correct or not? Seventh question is for $10,000 points. Jharkhand is the part of which undivided state? Options are A, MP, B, UP, C, Bihar, D, AP. Arav C. Shaurya A, Upita C, Arush C, are you sure with your answer? Okay, log option C, Bihar. Eighth question is for $20,000 points. Uttarakhand is the part of which undivided state? Options are A, MP, B, UP, C, AP, D, HP. Thani A, Arush A, Shaurya A, Upita A, Arav B, Arush B, Ghoshna A. Are you sure with your answer? Amila A. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Log the correct answer. Correct answer. Ninth question is for $30,000 points. Amravati is the capital of which state? Options are A, Telangana, B, Maharashtra, C, Andhra Pradesh, D, none. Arush C, Shaurya A, Tamila C, Arav C, Upita C, Ghoshna C. Okay, log option C, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer. Tenth question is for $50,000 points. Ranchi is the capital of which state? Options are A, Jharkhand, B, Bihar, C, UP, D, MP. Shaurya A, Arav A, Arush A, Tamila A, Ghoshna A, log option A, Jharkhand. $100,000 points. Dehradun is the capital of which state? Options are A. Assam, B. Mizoram, C. Uttarakhand, D. Manipur. Arav C, Shaurya C, Arush C, Tamila C, Sinta C. Okay, lock option C, Uttarakhand. Question is for $250,000 points. Raipur is the capital of which state? Options are A. Goa, B. Gujarat, C. Chhattisgarh, D. MP. Arav C, Shaurya C, Tamila C, C, Arush C, Ushna C. Okay, log option C, Chhattisgarh. This question is for $500,000 points. Hyderabad is the capital of which state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, D. Telangana. Shaurya D. Arav D. Tamila D. Sita D. Arush D. Abhinav Mishra D. Ushna D. Okay, lock option D, Telangana. Fourteenth question is for $1 million points. Bhopal is the capital of which state? Options are A and B, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Shaurya A, Tamila A, Abhinav Mishra A, Gupta A, Ushna A. Okay, lock option A, MP. Congratulations. Now it's time for lucky draw. Let's see who will win today. Joshna Singh. Congratulations, Joshna.